Carpentry shop. The carpentry shop may be designated as the process of making wooden article and component such as rod, force particle, door, and wooden. Carpentry involved cutting, shaping, and fastening wood and other material together the produced a finishing product. Preparation of joints is one of the important operations in woodwork. Joint mortise and T-joint, bride joint, etc. Carpentry tool. The carpentry tools are used to produce complete to an exact size. The type of carpentry tool are as follow. एक में है मार्किंग टूल, मेजरिंग टूल, थर्ड में है होल्डिंग टूल, कटिंग टूल, प्लानिंग टूल, बर्निंग टूल, स्केटिंग टूल, मिसलेनियस टूल. फर्स्ट देखेंगे मिसलेनियस टूल. इट इज यूज टू मार्किंग लाइन पैरेलल टू द एज ऑफ ए वुडन पीस. is consist of a surface wooden seam with a sliding wooden stalks on the stemma. Making pin is attached which is made of steel. This system is produced with a steel needle to scratch of surface of the work. It is constant of 2 piece distance between the pin is attachable. It is used to draw parallel line on the stock. उसके बाद है measuring tool. Their carpentry measurement tool are classified as flow, steel type, सेकेंड है स्टील रूल, थर्ड है कैलिपर. स्टील टेपर and steel rule are measuring used for measuring short and length is millimeters. अब देखेंगे होल्डिंग टूल. द कारपेंट्री होल्डिंग टूल्स आर शो इन फिगर. देखेंगे जैसे चित्र में दिखाया गया है होल्डिंग टूल. अगला है कारपेंट्री वॉइस. ए कारपेंट्री वॉइस इज द कॉमन वर्क holding device. It is a constant of fixed row and one movable joint. उसके बाद है बार क्लैंप. द बार क्लैंप such clamp are generally used in pair in lining of operation at the final assembly of junior work. उसके बाद है जी क्लैंप. जी क्लैंप इज मोड ऑफ मिलिएबल आयन विथ एक थर्ड ऑफ हाई क्वालिटी स्टील. इट कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर क्लैपिंग स्मॉल वर्क व्हेन ग्लेनिंग ऑफ cutting tool. A saw is used to cut wood into pieces. There is different types of saw. Rap saw, The blade of rape saw is either strength or skill. Blanket the teeth are so set that the cutting edge of this saw marks cross cut saw. This is similar is shape of rib, so it is used to cut across the grain of the stalks. Tenon or back saw. A tension saw is used to for fine and accurate work. It is consists of a very fine blade which is reinforced with a resin steel back. For minor closure, there are generally purpose former chisel. There are generally purpose chisel and are used either by hand pressure or by a metals. The blade of a former chisel is flat and their sloping face is at an angle 15 degree to 52 degree. Burning tool. The burning tool are used to make hole in wood. Commonly types of burning tool are as follows. First है ब्रोनल, second है gimlet, second braces and fourth beat and drill. Striking tool.